Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. So WordPress 5.3 just was released, so let's go ahead and update one of my sites to this new WordPress version. So let's check the site and see how it was before the update. So this is the knowledge base site, and let's go ahead and click updates and click update now and go to the new WordPress version directly. So update should not take very long. Let's wait this out. And it is already finished. WordPress updates itself really fast. Now let's go ahead and check our site if it has changed or it is working. And yes, it is functional. And it seems that the same theme is working. So let us check also if the search is working. Yes, search is also working. Okay, so everything seems to be working fine. Now let's check what is new exactly in this new WordPress version. So from here, from the presentation page, we can see that a new the block editor got some improvements and some enhancements. I will cover this in a minute. Expanded design flexibility, 2020, a new default theme, and some more improvements. Automatic image rotation, site health checks, and admin email verification. Okay. For developers, datetime component fixes and PHP 7.4 compatibility. This is an upcoming PHP version. So let's check and see how this looks exactly. So the first thing that comes to my mind is the new admin email verification, this one. So for this, to see this, let's simply log out of this new WordPress and go ahead and log in again. And this pop-up will show that will confirm if this email is correct or not, the admin email. This is because many sites, after you install them, the default email address for the site admin will be set to email that is maybe not valid. And this is also in this site's case, so we should hit update on this because this is not a valid email and this should be set to my email address. So this time WordPress saved me some issues, because if this site would generate some admin notifications, I would have not get them. And now after I updated my email address, this is solved. However, I must log into my email and verify before this can be applied. So then before the new email address can be applied, I must log into my email and verify the new address. Okay, so what else changed? Another thing that changed is the new looks. You can see that buttons and everything is more bluish. So if we go to posts also, and you can see here that buttons have changed and they are a bit bluish. And yeah, okay, so I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this new looks, but yeah, if WordPress likes it, let's go with it. I consider this a bit of a downgrade because buttons, in my personal opinion, looked a bit better before. However, also you can see that the length of the select fields are a bit dynamic and they are not fixed length. Okay, however, it's okay. Also, if we go to add some blocks, we can see that we will have here the good old blocks that we are used to. and yeah, using blocks was not changed much. Okay, so now let's check the new theme, the 2020 theme, 2020. So you can see this. Let's check a live preview of it. So let's see how it should look. Because I customized my website to fit my current theme, the 2020 is not looking so well with my current WordPress config. I should change this to allow it to look better on 2020. However, I am not intending to use 2020 on this site. I am keeping my current theme because it is working well also with WordPress 5.3. Also, what was changed, another thing that was changed is the WordPress site health. So if we go to settings, and we can see here that things changed a bit. Here it was added this icon at the site language selection. This was not here, I am sure. Also, if we scroll here down and go to Tools, Site Health, we will see that this changed also. It is not based on a number anymore, because here you could see a number. It is based on should be improved or okay. So as we can see, I need to update my PHP version, and some performance issue and 301 redirect, and click here, enable the redirect. Okay, so this is all for this new update. I hope you enjoyed this new WordPress version, and I hope it will not break many plugins or themes for you. I must say that all my plugins that I published so far are compatible with WordPress 5.3. So if you are using them, feel free to update, because they will continue to work without issues. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more similar news and updates about plugins and WordPress. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.